Are you looking for the best potty training seats in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best potty training seats 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Potty chair is designed with comfort in mind. Unlike many potty chairs that are made of hard plastic, this one has a cushy, soft seat. It also features a built-in toilet paper holder, which holds a standard roll of toilet paper, to make wiping a breeze. There's a built-in wipe holder as well. Your child can also use this as a step stool, and you can place the cushioned seat atop a traditional toilet as well. It's available in bright green and white or pink. Number 4. Potty seat is super simple for parents and caregivers to set up and for children to use. The seat features an adjustable dial to provide a secure and safe fit for most toilets. It's lightweight, so children can put it on or take off the toilet without any help, thanks to the seat's built-in handle. To prevent any spills, there is an inward-facing splash guard designed in the BPA-free seat. It can be cleaned with a wipe or hot water. Number 3. This potty training seat is ideal when it comes to storage and design. It fits most standard-sized and elongated toilet seats, so you don't have to buy a separate potty chair for your child. Its foldable design is perfect for parents and caregivers who want to put away the seat when guests come over. There's also a step and handles for children to climb up to the seat safely. With the seat's anti-slip design for the handle, base, and step, there's no need to worry about the seat slipping or your little ones falling. Number 2. Just like the grown-ups, this pint-sized potty looks just like the real deal and paves the way for transitioning from potty training to full-on potty use. It features a handle that makes a realistic flushing noise when pushed and a seat that flips up and down. If you've got a little boy in training, there's a clip-on splash guard to keep things neat. There's also a built-in compartment for wipes, so they're accessible when it comes to time to clean up. The bowl comes out for cleaning, and 2 AAA batteries are included, so you can get to work right away. It comes in white or pink. Number 1. The Baby Children Potty Chair earned the top spot on our list because of its simple design, easy-to-clean material, and built-in splash guard to protect from messes. It has a high backrest, armrests for little arms and a splash guard, which can definitely come in handy while potty training boys. The whole thing is made of plastic, with no crevices, so wiping it down and disinfecting it is simple. It's great for kids of any gender, so you can hand it down for siblings and friends later. It's also a much less obvious addition to a bathroom than some brighter, louder chairs, making it perfect for minimalists, those who like a simple, no-fuss aesthetic, and kids who may be intimidated by chairs that have a lot going on. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.